Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2006 Suzuki GSX R600. This bike is in good condition. Today I'll walk around and show you a little bit about it. Rear tire still has some life left in it. Does have an aftermarket exhaust. As you can see, it looks straight piped, but can is underneath the belly there. Very cool, makes the bike sound very nice. As you can tell, both seats free of any rips and tears. Does have the tank protector doing its job. Tank has no dings, dents, or chips in it. There is a small nick, very small. Can you even see that? Looks like it's had the graphics taken off of it. Looks very good. Front tires in fair condition. There's some small scuffing here, and then as well right there. Try to get you a good angle. There's some on the tail. Other sides of the seat still free of rips and tears. Other side of the tank still free of chips, dents, or dings. I'm going to show you some mileage action. I want to say it's around 21,003. There you go. Let's start it up. I'm going to have to put the camera down. Put it on the seat. Looks like we need some fuel. As you can hear, that exhaust sounds fantastic on this bike. This bike, along with all the other bikes we sell here, go through a 24-point inspection, as well as most of our bikes come with a limited 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting us here at SimplyStreetBikes.com.